Now I can tell the sheriff, hey, I want that guy to serve day for day. I know other judges have done that in the past. I don't do that because I try to follow whatever the spirit of the agreement is. Court is calling 2025 CR 0075553 State versus Vincent Arredondo. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for state.
John Coons for Mr. Arredondo.
And are you Mr. Arredondo?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No applications.
All right, Mr. Arredondo, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we are waiving the enhancements.
Any objections?
No, we're very grateful.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to a jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do so believe.
And do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes and yes.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Amen.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Did you understand if you're not a US citizen, by entering into this plea, you could be deported, denied naturalization, and not allowed to re-enter the country? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 230 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. The state will take in consideration 2024 CR 012424. There's to be restitution of $300 to Jennifer Aldrago, $2,610.19 to Tejon, Tejon, Crossing Apartments. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
So, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plea? State any evidence.
State offers states one in attachments.
We reviewed them and have no objections, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
And when you're done, Judge, I would like to address the jail credit situation, just for clarification.
After reviewing state's exhibits one and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
And there's something you said you wanted to address?
Sure, Judge. In conferring with the state, their computer system shows that he has 170 days of credit, which is based upon an actual 85 days in the Bexar County Jail. The intent of both parties is that he serve 30 more days. So what the prosecution settled on was 230, which is 170 plus 60. 60 is 2 times 30. What I want to be, just so that my client has certainty about what's happening and so that the court has certainty, we just want to make sure that that is what will happen. We don't want him to actually do 60 more days. The prosecutor doesn't want him to do 60 more days, but that's how we structure the agreement.
All right, so sir, this is what I can tell you. If in coming to how much time you have in, that's calculating that maybe the jail is giving you 2 for 1, which means they're giving you 2 days for every 1 day you have, or 3 for 1. That is not within my jurisdiction. That's completely up to the jail. What I can tell you is I will follow the agreement and give you 230 days in jail.
Yes, ma'am.
But if you're counting on, hey, let me calculate this in my mind because the sheriff is supposed to give me 2 for 1, I'm not in charge of whether you get 2 for 1 or 3 for 1.
Understood.
Now, I can tell the sheriff, hey, I want that guy to serve day for day. I know other judges have done that in the past. I don't do that because I try to follow whatever the spirit of the agreement is. So what I can tell you in this case, this is going to be your sentence. I'm sentencing you to 230 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. I'm giving you credit for any time served. Taking in consideration 2024 CR 012424. There's to be restitution of $300 to Jennifer Aldrago. There is restitution of $2,610.19 to Tejan Crossing Apartments. And there's to be no contact
Thank you, Judge.
with, you're welcome, with Jennifer Aldrago or Tejan Crossing Apartments.
Judge, I'm still conferring with the prosecutor.
Sure.
We might want to clear up that jail credit thing because
Okay.
again, it wasn't the prosecution's intent that he was staying longer than an additional 30 days.
Okay.
So
And I can tell you from reading the police report, it seems that people are engaging in self-help as opposed to calling the police for help.
right,
So I understand what this case is about,
right.
Thank
but
you.
I can't give you
I
2 for 1.
understand, Judge. Thank you.
What I've suggested to the prosecution would be, since he has 85 actual days and she was requesting 30 days, that we make the sentence 115, which is 85 plus 30. And only giving him credit for the 85 that he has. So that then he would do the further 30. Yes, sir.
And guys, let's see, Vincent Arredondo has entered. After this, we're taking our break.
So
Yes, we're gonna have to come back this afternoon because everybody needs a break. It's after 12. And we'll go over the document. All right, we'll go over the document, but we're gonna take our break. It's break time.
I see what you're saying. Okay, yeah,
Right.
okay, that'd be perfect.
Yes,
May I see the paperwork?
sure.
We're gonna change it from 230 to 200. But we're gonna ask them, Judge, would you be able to write that he has 170 days of credit currently?
No, what will end up happening, they'll have to do it. All right, so your agreement is to be sentenced to 200 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, the court will sentence you to 200 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served, taking consideration 2024 CR 012424. There's to be restitution of $300 to Jennifer Aldrago. There's to be restitution of $2,610.19 to Tejan Crossing Apartments. There's to be no contact with Jennifer Aldrago and no contact with Tejan Crossing Apartments. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes,
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
Judge. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.